Hi everyone, Bryan here. And this May 29th, I want to invite you to join us in our upcoming annual Horary Astrology Summer Intensive, which is a big deal because here at Oraculos, we love Horary Astrology. In this summer intensive, you won't just learn the tools and the methodologies that underpin classical Horary astrology, but you'll also take a deep dive into the heart of traditional astrology to improve all aspects of your current astrological practice. So, if you want to join us in our annual upcoming Horary Astrology Summer Intensive, please feel free to go over to our website at www.oraculosastrology.com/classes to sign up today. While you're over there, please also take a look at our upcoming Foundations of Classical Astrology program, which begins this September 8th, where we teach you all that you need to know in order to begin a rich and thriving practice of classical astrology. We look forward to having each and every one of you in class with us. Have a good one and see you soon.